Hello, Scrapbookers! This is Megan, and I am back today sharing my Scrapbooking Store kit with you. Now, this is probably going to be a little bit faster than normal because I'm supposed to go pick up my wife here in like 10 minutes, I think. And so I'm kind of like wondering if I'm even going to be able to finish this. But, yeah, so let's just jump right in. So this month's collection is by Doodlebug Design, and it is called My Happy Place. And it's super fun and pretty and cutesy, and definitely not something I do all the time, the cutesy Doodlebug look. I do like Echo Park and Simple Stories and Cartabella. I feel like Doodlebug is just a little super cutesy, like a little too cutesy for me. So we're just gonna jump right in. It says it also has this and that sticker sheet. So they have, I guess, two different collections here, which is really interesting. Okay, so first up is this kind of hodgepodge of houses and couches and chairs and just a lot of different homemaking things. And then we have a bunch of 3x4 cards, which I think I will probably just go ahead and cut all of these up and just put these in my stash. Then we have this nice black polka dot paper, and then also this very pretty floral. I love the floral. Ooh, I love this. This is a nice stripe. And then we have a bunch of different sizes. So we've got some 4x4s, I think. Let's see if it says if it's 4x4. I want to say it is 4x4. Should we? Yep, 4x4. And then we've got a bunch of just strips in a couple different sizes. I like having the options. So that's really fun. But if you know me, I probably will use this side. Okay, My Happy Place is the name of the collection, and this one is Mint. Mint to Be with mint polka dots on it. Oh, and cute little coffee cups. Probably will use the mint side. Then here we have Love Grows Here, and then some leaves. Then we've got Homeward Bound. I love the diagonal black and white stripe. And then we also have the cars. Garden Girl is this paper name, which I love that. Super cute. OMG. I love me a good rainbow stripe paper. Then we've got The Neighborhood. And then a nice pretty pink floral. And then we have Hello Sunshine, which is yellow and white polka dots. And then we've got a nice gingham. Is that gingham? Kind of plaid, I guess. More plaid. Oh, my wife is home. So I think I am going to have to go. I might just try to finish this a little bit later tonight. But this is the rest of the papers. And I'm super excited to get to scrapbook with this super cute spring collection for the May kit. I will be back to share more later on. Okay, I am back to show you guys the rest of the kit. So after the stickers and all of the fun papers, then we have the embellishments, and we are using Year in Review from Echo Park. It is an ephemera pack with 34 die cut cardstock pieces. Then we also have Little Birdie handmade embellishments, and these are so stinking cute. I'm super excited to use these. And I can't actually tell, sorry about the loud noise, I can't tell if it's like, oh, I see, they're each individually packaged. Okay, I was wondering if it was like supposed to be like a little pocket or something, so that was kind of interesting way to package it. But that is what the ephemera is for this month of, well, not this month because it's not May yet, and I think I will post this video probably on Thursday, which is the day after my birthday. And I am super excited. I also have a birthday haul that I would have just showed you, because I think I'm posting that on my birthday. And then I will post this the day after my birthday. And then I am kind of wondering, I'm trying to decide if because my mom just called me and said that she's sending me money, and so I was thinking, well, maybe I will buy some Crafty Maven getaway kits, because I was thinking maybe I might buy a Crafty Maven kit, an old kit, because she's doing a sale this week for National Scrapbooking Day, which is on Saturday. And so I'm really excited about that, and so I'm thinking maybe I will splurge and buy a kit there or something. I haven't decided yet, but that was definitely my first thought when my mom told me she was sending me money. And I am hosting my first ever scrapbooking retreat. It is just a day retreat. It's in my hometown that I live at, and I'm super excited. I have 5 people signed up to go so far, and so I'm super duper happy about that. I was hoping it would be a lot more people than that, but at least there's 5, right? Okay, so here is all of the embellishments from this month's kit. They all fit, kind of, on this little piece of paper that was in with the kit. I am super excited. This collection is so stinking cute. Then we've got these cute little handmade embellishments from Little Birdie. So yay for the month of May. I'm super excited, and I will probably be back next week with another haul and some more fun layouts. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.